Today I'm going to walk you through how to use Beaver Kit, which is a landing page wireframe set available on Assistant Pro for Beaver Builder. If you don't already have an Assistant Pro account, you can sign up for free. Now you can log into Assistant Pro and navigate to the community marketplace. Here's Beaver Kit right up here at the top, and also we can get to it through the Featured Creators Beaver Builder tab here. After you've purchased Beaver Kit, where there was once a purchase button, now you'll see View in Libraries. Clicking that button will take you to your Assistant Pro Libraries dashboard, and all of the libraries that you collect from the community are going to be filed over here in this left-hand menu under Community Libraries. So now that Beaver Kit is in your Assistant Pro account's cloud storage, you can use the Assistant plugin to put Beaver Kit content on as many WordPress sites as you'd like. If you don't already have the plugin, go to this drop-down menu here, which will take you to WordPress. You can download the plugin and upload the zip file to your WordPress sites. Now, once you have the Assistant plugin installed on your WordPress site, you'll be able to toggle the Assistant sidebar open and closed with this little pencil icon on the upper right-hand corner of your front-end pages. So open up that sidebar and navigate here to this window here, which is the Libraries app. That's going to prompt you to log into your Assistant Pro account, and upon login, you'll be redirected back to your WordPress site. All of the libraries that you've collected from the Assistant Pro community, including Beaver Kit, will be filed here under Community Libraries. Now, once you're inside Beaver Kit, select this gear icon up here, and now we can import the library. There will be some instances where you want to just import a single piece of content. So if you click onto a single piece of content, that's also an option. If you're just trying to grab one little piece of content, like an FAQ section or hero banner, you can sort your library by collection, and that will help you find what you're looking for more easily. But I've imported the entire collection, and I'm going to show you what that looks like on the Beaver Builder page builder now. So I'm going to close Assistant and launch the Beaver Builder page builder. Now all of the saved rows that I've imported can be found in the Beaver Builder page builder under saved rows. Now I imported the whole library, which I think is a really great way of working because the content is organized into sections once I get it into the Beaver Builder page builder. And the categories reflect best practices for the basic flow of most any landing page you're going to want to build. So landing pages are going to stylistically vary and also vary in the content, whether you're building a lead generation page or a sales page or an event registration page. But no matter what kind of site you're building, you can just quickly run down this list here and put yourself together a wireframe real quick. And that's a huge time saver to be able to quickly lay this really nice custom foundation. And being able to fast track the process of putting together a page layout is so important because now we've just freed up a bunch of time to write really great copy and work on the fine details of our design, which is really going to make our offer attractive and stand out to our visitors. So I'm going to wrap up this video here. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for using Beaver Kit.